Good morning, students. We have already studied BPT theorem yesterday. I hope that you people have done the homework regarding exercise 1.1 and revising BPT. Now we are going to use the application of BPT as a property of angle bisector. So this is very important property of angle bisector of the triangle. What the theorem says? The bisector of angle of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining side. That means if we have a triangle ABC, and if we have an angle bisector of A, suppose this angle bisector means which divides the angle into equal parts. Suppose this is AE, then what it says? It says that the angle bisector of the triangle divides the opposite side. That means this is the opposite side, BE upon EC. BE upon EC. So what it says? The angle bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio. What is the ratio? Of the remaining side. So BA upon AC. So BE upon EC, the ratio is equal to BA upon AC. So how we are going to prove it? So for this we need to do some construction. What is the construction? AE, draw a line parallel to AE passing through point C such that it is intersected by this one, and we say this as D. So what is construction? Draw a line parallel to AE from C intersecting AB at D. So the point intersected at D. Now we have to start solving this. So step 1. What is step 1? AD AD is a transversal. As AD is the transversal and AE is parallel to DC given, we have already done this as a construction. Therefore we can say angle BAE is equal to angle ADC. What is the reason? Corresponding angle. What is the reason? Corresponding angles. This is one. So here we write down this as the corresponding angles. Now step 2. If we say AC as a transversal, AC is a transversal and AE is parallel to DC, again it is given. So what happened? Angle EAC, this angle is equal to angle ACD. What is the reason? Alternate angle. This is 2. So here we will mention this as alternate angle. Step 2. In triangle ADC, this triangle ADC, we know angle ADC is equal to angle ACD. Already we have proved from equation 1 and 2. So what happens? Triangle ADC becomes isosceles triangle. And what is the property of isosceles triangle? Base angles are equal, that means the sides are equal. Therefore, AD is equal to AC. This is the property of isosceles triangle. If these two sides are equal, this is very important, we will say this as A, equation A. Now, we will use BPT theorem. How we are going to use BPT theorem? We are going to use BPT theorem in triangle BDC, this full triangle BDC. AE is parallel to DC. This particular AE is parallel to one of the side. Then using BPT theorem, what we can say? BA upon AD is equal to BE upon EC. BA upon AD is equal to BE upon EC. But from equation A, what we can say? AD is equal to AC. What we can say? This AD is equal to AC. Therefore, BA upon AC is equal to BE upon EC. This is what is proved, property of angle bisector. So what I want that students should write down this complete proof, revise it, learn it, and in the next lecture we are going to continue the next part. Thank you.